wait a second, let me show you something. This wig is glueless, and the fact that it's so snug, I'm just like, baby, like, who are you? Who is this girl? Ah, it's so pretty. I look so pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video, guys, I'm super excited. I am going to be installing a glueless wig from Luvme Hair Company, and by the way, today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair Company. I'm super excited because y'all know I've been working with them for quite some time, and they literally sell the best quality that I've ever seen. And yeah, I'm super excited. The quality is out of this world. I'm so happy. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So I quickly want to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. First of all, they are very consistent when it comes to their packaging. It is always classy, it is always beautiful. I am like, yeah, I love it. So this is how it looks. The purple box is purple and gold, and it is written "Love Me." So let me quickly open it. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna find is yeah, y'all know I love calling it a little love note. It's written, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on," from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. So they were kind enough to send me a wig cap, 2 wig caps, this Luvme hair scarf. I usually use these when I lay my edges, but trust me, with this glueless wig, we're not gonna be laying edges. We're just gonna put it on our heads and we're good to go. Okay, they also sent me this baby hair brush, and of course earrings. They really spoil me, you guys, when it comes to jewelry. Okay, so this is what you must expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Let's get to the the good part. So this is how the packaging looks. Luvme Hair, affordable luxury wigs. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Look at the quality, guys. Let's get into the quality. Look at this. This is so soft, and by the way, they use virgin hair from one donor, not multiple donors, so definitely you're going to get very high quality hair. So this is how it looks, you guys. Look at this. It is already shiny, and I didn't even put anything on it, so I'm so impressed with the quality. I love this. Look how long it is, and by the way, this is a 20-inch wig, so I'm just like, is this 20 inches or is this 26 inches? And especially because I'm short, so this wig is literally going to look super long, and I'm super excited. So it is a closure wig, a 4x4 closure wig. This is how it looks inside. It has extra belts. This is what I love about Luvme Hair Company. They know that us with small heads so they are actually accommodating us with small heads. And it has 3 combs on top, and then another comb over here, and 2 extra belts, adjustable belts, so that you can adjust your wig to your liking. Okay, so by the way, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video, enjoy, and do not forget to check the description box for more information. And of course, I have a discount code for you. So if you purchase hair from, when you purchase hair, not if you have to purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company, okay? So when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company, do not forget to use this code over here. Okay, so let's put it on, you guys. Period. Oh my goodness, by the way, it fits like a glove. It literally fits like a glove. When they say glueless wig, they mean glueless wig. They mean business, okay? So this is not going to fall. This is not gonna go anywhere. Whenever there's wind, do not be afraid, okay? This is literally, nobody's gonna snatch it out of your head, baby. All right, this is so nice. I love the quality. Look how soft it is. Oh my gosh.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a cuppa, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sense it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all
Guys,
around.
this hair is so soft. I'm so happy. Look how flat it looks. I am so happy. It literally looks like my scalp. Oh my word. Period.
And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent.
Look at the quality. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is so soft and silky for that matter. Yo, I'm so happy, you guys. I am so impressed with the quality. I love this bone straight look. Oh my goodness, the middle part, I'm just imagining myself wearing a polo neck. Definitely going to look gorgeous. Like, I'm definitely going to look classy. Ah, look at this. What is this? Yo, one thing about Luvme Hair Company, guys, they really take their time when they are making these wigs, because what is this? Like, what is this? Who's gonna tell me that you're wearing a wig? Like, I can't stop touching it. It's so silky. It is so lightweight. It's so beautiful. What is this? The quality. I'm happy. I'm really happy, you guys. I'm excited. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. And please do not forget to check the description box for more information when you are ready to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. I'm obsessed. I love it. I love the quality. Can't even stop touching it. It is so gorgeous. I look like a grown, beautiful, gorgeous woman. Okay, like, this wig is giving me life, you guys. Look at this. It is super silky, guys. I mean really, come on. This wig is the one. Okay, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. So, and the fact that it is glueless, the fact that I did not use any glue, and the fact that it is so, look at this, guys. No bumps, nothing. I am, period, I'm really impressed. Okay, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time, bye guys.